part.
I always do this part. This house is cozy. This house is cozy, charming, and cute. Yippee-ki-yay, first-time home buyer. Why am I saying it? Yippee-ki-yay, first-time home buyer. Yippee-ki-yay, first-time.
Let's go take a look. We're here at this address in this neighborhood, surrounded by this and this and this.
For you today, 2530.
Nope. Here we go.
16 takes later.
I can just do my part again.
No, we're good, we're good.
Can we just stand back so we look at the ceiling?
I knew that was coming. One more time. One more time. Oh, I'm gonna say people to, that's not the, but let's stop talking about it because I obviously can't talk. We'll go inside and have a look. It's like Chateau Royale, is that what it is? Yeah, it is. Mm-hmm. So in this quarter of the home, nope, it's not a quarter. These quarters? No. Okay. Now the functionality. If you ever have an important business call while computing, it's the place for you. Spick, spack, clean. No, spick, spack. 7 feet, benches. Got one of those shots that you like just hold this above the camera angle. The 3 kids that have the bong.
And with this house, you just can't miss.
Ducats. Woo!
And with this house, okay. And with this house, you just can't miss.
Oh, yes. And of course we can't
Talk.
the living happens, and of course we've got the, of course. And here is where, of course, all the living happens. Ceilings, of course, there's, making your way in the world today takes everything you got. That's a good thing we cut this because walking up 9-foot ceiling height stairs makes me really tired.
No one's been murdered here before. And while it might be extremely flammable, it's also very cozy.
Sorry, I don't have anything. All right. Sorry. Raised bungalow in the country. 85 Bay Road. Give me a ringo, dingo. That's not funny.
I want my privacy. You've got, sorry, what? Hang on, what am I? Or the middle child, or the youngest child, whichever child you like, or none of the children, maybe some friends, anybody you have. They can all live here. Just, let me catch my breath. It's not stairs here. Huge island to unbeatable range. Sorry, what?
No, I think I'm requesting access to where the help is.
Oh.
Cooking my meal.
Yeah.
Right.
Come on in.
Okay. Oh, thanks for letting me in your area. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Gate door number 1.
Gate door number 2. Units that you can. But if you are an investor and you're sick of this well, this, I got this right. You ready? Ready? You tell me when you're ready.
You tell me when you're ready.
I'm born ready, kid.
Ready.
I don't know what that means. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Runaway, also good. I don't like that. Yeah. Okay, what are we doing?